Hi there, Shannon West here, back for another video. Now, if you're like me, you love making cards, but you don't always love spending forever. Some cards, yes, take all the time, and sometimes I want to make a lot of cards fast. So that's what this video is about. Make 5 cards in 10 minutes. All you need are 5 card bases and 5 pieces of 6x6 pattern paper. And the bonus is, with the leftover pieces, you can make a 6th card, a little bonus card. Let's take a look. Okay, I have my 5 card bases: Blushing Bride, Pool Party, Basic White, Misty Moonlight, and Soft Sea Foam. This is the color scheme that I am choosing for this project. And then I have my 1 note card that I showed you will be used for the bonus card. Now, the reason I picked this color scheme is because I'll be working with these amazing designer series, paper pack. It is called the Sunshine and Rainbows pack. This is the cutest set of DSP that I've worked with for quite some time. It was so much fun to use all of these different patterns. So you can see there's some smaller patterns with more neutral colors, and then the bold, bright rainbows and all the amazingness. So I'm also going to use my cloud punch with this piece here. So this is pretty specific. And if you have, like, you need some sort of other embellishment, you'll see on the finished cards when we get there. So if this doesn't work, you can cut out hearts or, some other sort of square from your designer series paper to make up for that area. Okay, and then I'll also be using the You Make Me Happy from the Rainbow of Happiness stamp set. Okay, so we're going to do all the cutting from the designer series paper first. So I'm going to cut 3/4 of an inch from the left side. So start with that. And I've got all 5 layers stacked up. I doubt they'll all cut, but I got through several layers, so I have to do it a couple of times. There we go, that worked well. 3/4 of an inch there. And then I'm going to do a 1/2 inch off the bottom of the 5 pack. And let's see. Didn't get them all, so we gotta try one more time. Perfect. Now I'm going to take the cloud piece of paper and set that aside because I'm going to punch these clouds out. And so with the 4 that are remaining, I am going to do a 2-inch square. Let's see, let's go from this corner right here. So let's see, we're at, what is that, 13 or 12.5? Let's see, make sure, yeah, so we need to bring it down to 10.5. And then turn it the other way so that we can get this 2 inches. There we go. And I'm going to just double check. And now I've only got 4 layers, so it went through a lot better, but still didn't go all the way through. Let's see, so I better slice that one more time. Okay, oh, I love that paper. Maybe my favorite designer series paper of all time. So just make sure I've got 2x2. Perfect. Now we're going to cut a 1-inch square out of the center. You could improvise with this and do like some kind of a punch out of the center if you wanted to. I wanted to make like a little frame or a window that you're peeking through. So I've got it set to 1.5, so it's going to have a 1/2 inch on either side and then a 1/2 inch on top and bottom. So I'm not sure that we'll be able to get all the way through all the layers, so let's do twice. And then I'm going to do that on each side. So, oops, go 1.5. What we're going to have when we're finished is a little square frame, and we'll also have the piece in the middle that we can use for little embellishments on our card. Now, the magic of this is with 5, if we start with the same number of designer series papers, Oops, I didn't realize I didn't really have it on the screen. There we go, a little better. So if we start with the same 5 card bases and 5 pieces of designer series paper, then we have lots of options, and we can mix and match those to make sure that we get, you know, each card looks a little bit different, and we have enough to go through the different cards. There we go. Okay. Now these, let's see, put this aside. I think we're finished with that. So then I'll just take my snips and fix anything that I missed. So there we've got a frame, and we've got 2 sides to choose from, and this little piece right here, we're going to cut a heart out of it. So let's see, I missed that same corner on all 5 layers, I believe. And this one was in the bottom, so it got the least attention. Okay. So now with these pieces, we want to cut hearts out. So you just have to decide if you want the hearts to go this way or that way. So for this one, I'm going to, but it has a back, it has that cute pattern on the back. So I might end up using that, which means I better turn it this way. So we're going to cut out 5 little hearts, and don't go out, like leave a little bit. This is how we're going to get our bonus card. Make sure these stay together. Oh, look at that. Cute. So this is the truly fun part, I believe, where we lay out our 5 card bases, and then we lay out the pieces and try them with all the different colors to see what color combinations we like. So the 3/4 inch thick strip is going to be just a piece down the side. So I'm going to keep like colors together. So I like the Misty Moonlight paper on Misty Moonlight. I'm going to do the same here. Let's see. Oh, that's really cute. That would be cute on Pool Party. That isn't the greatest because you're only getting 2 colors, but the dots are amazing. So we're going to use those. And then the clouds look kind of weird chopped off like that. So we'll do that. And then I'm realizing I believe this is supposed to be Petal Pink, not Blushing Bride. So I'll swap that out in just a minute. And yeah, that looks cute. I'm going to put this one over on the white though. Let's see, because I like that. This is my favorite paper, so I want it on that card. There we go, cute. Okay, next step, as we keep putting these together, each of these needs a square and each needs a heart. So let's find, let's see. Yeah, I like that. And so you can, oh, I love that Mango Melody square. Maybe green on that one, soft sea foam. And let's see. I like that on that one. Now, I forgot, we only did 4 of these squares, so I'm going to need to cut one more from whichever one is my favorite to add. But I'll show you this, finish this process first. So now we've got all of our hearts. And once again, have to decide what goes with what. So that looks pretty cute there. Mango Melody, let's try that one here. Those stripes look cute. Dots are cute too. Maybe the stripes on that one. Little hearts, but those stripes are really cute. I think I like that one there. Okay, so now, oh, let's see. And then this is going to be a little extra embellishment. So we need one of these on each card too. I don't know about this one. Yeah, that looks cute there. Oh, upside down. So flip that over. That's going to be on this card. And then, yeah, that looks nice there. So just kind of get to experiment a little bit and see which one we like the best. That one could work there. All right, I've swapped this card out for Petal Pink instead of Blushing Bride. Looks much better now. And then since this was my favorite paper, I cut another square, double square, 2 inches and square out of the middle, and made a heart. So now each of the cards has everything that it needs to be assembled together, except for a greeting. So let's, here, I'll put together one of these cards first, and then we'll go to the greetings. So little strip down the side is the first step, and just let it hang over, and then you trim it off, because, you know, cards are typically shorter than 6 inches. So I'll trim that off there. And then for the rest of our embellishing, for this I'm going to just put the adhesive on the sides, and that was strategic because we're going to put that there, and then the other piece that's like this, I'll just trim it off. I want it to be about that long. So that piece we're going to just put down here a little ways so we can kind of tuck it up under. Oh, that's cute too, but that's the same. Yep, we can't use that one. So we'll use the hearts, the pool party hearts. And now we are ready for our greeting right here. All right, all 5 cards are assembled. The heart is not connected, but everything else is assembled. And now I'm ready to stamp my greetings. So I've got my Misty Moonlight, I've got my You Make Me Happy stamp, and I want to stamp them and leave a little bit of space to the left because that's where I'll be adding the heart. And I almost forgot, clouds. I've got to punch out those clouds and add those. We're still good. We haven't gone too far, so they can be added to the card still. Now, while those are kind of curing a little bit, let's punch out. Where did my cloud paper go? It's missing. I've put it somewhere special and now I can't find it. Here it is. Okay, I'm going to punch out 5 clouds. I'm going to have to trim a little bit so that I can get up into the designer series paper, but there should be more than enough with leftover after doing those 2 cuts. So let's see, we've got exactly 5, so that's great. And these will just layer right on top of the frame. Okay, I've got my 5 cards, everything's a 5. 5 greetings, 5 clouds, 5 cards. So I just need to spread these out and make sure that I get the right cloud with the right card. Really, the only thing you need to watch for is this one's the heart, and so there's a heart cloud, so don't want to double up on that. And so you just kind of sort them otherwise. And watch this. So see, I've got the heart on this one again. So I want to do, well, I already used it, so it should be good there. And so then we've got all 5 of those. So now it just comes down to a little bit of assembly. So this kind of goes over here in this corner. So you can see that frame is still there, but it's more of a peekaboo rather than just a big ol' square with a hole in it. So You Make Me Happy. We add the little heart that we cut out, and the last thing is to add a little piece of baker's twine right in the middle of the heart. I have those ready, so we'll stick that down. Cuteness! Ugh, love this paper, love the greetings, love everything about it. Let's see. Here's the next one. Okay, this one I don't have the strip right there, so I forgot to do that apparently. Have to go back and do that. Oh, can't add the heart yet. Okay. Okay, I found the 5th strip. It was buried under my grid paper. The 1/2-inch strip that went there. So I finished up the Misty Moonlight card, and here are our 5 finished cards, so you can see them all together as good as we can see it within the screen. So cute. I gotta say, this one is probably my favorite because of the way the colors worked out. The pinks and the mango melody just looks so cute. But really, they're all pretty darn cute. Now let's make the bonus card. We just need our white note card. And we need a strip. Let's see, first let's pick which ones of these we like the best. You can kind of just lay these out. You really maybe don't even need a strip of designer series paper because it looks cute like this. I wonder if we just did a few of these, or let's see, the hearts look cute. Got to look at what's on the inside of all of these because you just don't want to pass up one you like better. Maybe the hearts. Maybe this is more of a blue card. So we place these together. So you can either put these right together, stamp one more time. You make me happy. And like I said, you could even do a little card out of these two. Do that right there. Add those with the dimensionals and boom, you've got your bonus card. Thanks for joining me today. Hope you were able to make 5 cards in 10 minutes and enjoy yourself while doing it. It's always so fun to stamp and be creative. I love just relaxing and creating, and I love having you along to watch. See you next time. Bye-bye.